So along with new iPhones always come new iPhone cases, right? And this time around they don't have the standard fare. Usually it's always a leather and a silicone type case and then the clear one. But now they're getting rid of leather. And they've replaced it with something called the FineWoven case. So what is it? Is it any good? Let's find out in the video and I'll tell you all my thoughts on it and try to explain it a little bit better. So Apple bills this FineWoven case as like a suede-like material. And they're using it as their replacement for leather. And honestly, I think that's a disservice to them because they're not using anything that resembles suede. They're using a micro twill on the back of the FineWoven cases and the watch bands. And the FineWoven stuff is made out of a micro twill, which isn't like an Apple specific marketing term. It's an actual fabric, but it's a type of like cotton weave that is closer to like satin or silk. And it's done with, I don't know if you can see here, but it creates like little bitty diagonal cross patterns in the fabric. And it makes it feel very soft, like it feels very, very nice. There's no question about that. But it doesn't feel like suede or leather. It feels more like satin or silk. And so I think marketing like that's actually a disservice to the product, and it's going to put a lot of people off when they first get it, because this is not a replacement if you like leather or suede. This is just something new that also happens to be pretty nice. I like the feel of it a lot. It feels premium, it feels nice, and of course the buttons on the case and everything themselves, like these things are great. You know, iPhone cases, they do a great job with their buttons from like Apple. I think if you go in thinking that it's a leather replacement, which they marketed as, which it was marketed as, I think you're going to be disappointed. But if you go into it just wanting something nice, soft, but protective, and that feels premium, this will definitely scratch that itch. Now, as for the rest of it, it's got nice openings here for the speakers and the USB-C port. Again, the buttons are very good, clicky, nice tactile response on them. It's a great case, lots of colors actually, and I really like this brown one here. But yeah, super cool product that just do not think it's a replacement for a leather case, because it's a different feeling altogether. I kind of wish they still made the leather cases, because those were great cases and I like the feel of a leather case. And honestly, I really don't think removing leather from your production is going to do that much for sustainability, because realistically leather is a waste product of the meat industry. And unless you get everyone on the planet to stop eating beef, then you're always going to have leather available to make stuff like this. So why not just use it since it's there? But whatever, that's just my opinion. I'm not a giant corporation. But yeah, like I said, great feeling case. I love the way it feels. It really does feel like a piece of silk or satin back here. That's really, really nice. It does not feel like a piece of suede or leather. So don't listen to that. Don't think about that. Just go into it, try it out. You might like it. I know I was pleasantly surprised. All right, see ya. And yes, this is the I Am Knuff t-shirt from the Barbie movie, in case you were wondering.